Hi, I'm Shayna from WTI.
This past summer, I was at the beach a lot and I wanted to really snorkel more. And I wanted to film everything that I saw, but I didn't have the right equipment at the time. Then the DIVEVOLK SeaTouch 4 Max selfie kit came into my life and came to the rescue. Now, this kit comes with everything that you need to capture all your underwater adventures. This phone case fits iPhones 12 to 15, but if you have a different model phone, you can contact the company and they will 3D print your phone model. How cool is that? So before I took it into the ocean, I did do a test run, and I love that I was able to maneuver between screens and apps with the jelly-like screen protector. I had so much fun taking this out into the ocean. It's awesome to have a selfie stick because honestly, who doesn't love to take selfies? And it's especially fun in the water. And even if you go out in a group, you can capture all your friends and family on video as well. So not only does this kit come with the selfie stick, but it also comes with the wrist strap. And this case is waterproof up to 60 meters, so you can really explore underwater. When I took these videos, I unfortunately didn't have the best weather. I took these videos in the winter time, so the ocean was not as clear and calm, but it didn't take away from how amazing this product is. And I can't wait for the spring and summer to come back. So if you want to take your underwater adventures to the next level, do it with the DIVEVOLK SeaTouch 4 Max selfie kit.
And that's my point of view.